Hi everybody! Today is Spring Omotenashi with Oinarisan, hosting the spring seasonal plate. First of all, making aburage as usual. And for sushi rice, vinegar, sugar, salt, and of course, the rice. Ingredients are salmon, sesame, the rape flour, and I found this krill. Have you ever had it? It's very tasty. You boil the rape flour for about 1.5 minutes. Take it out. Cut the flour. Then finely cut the stalk part. Roast the sesame. Grill the salmon. When they are nicely grilled, flake them. Be careful of the fish bones. For the sushi rice, as you heat the vinegar mix, the acidity gets stronger. Then make sushi rice as usual. For more information for the sushi rice, please click the button right above. Add salmon flakes, finely chopped rape flour, krill, and roasted sesame. Mix together. When it's ready, put it into aburage bags. For the decoration, put the rape flour and the krill. I think you can enjoy the different texture of the ripe flour and full of spring taste in your mouth. Hosting everybody with this Oinarisan would be so nice! Especially it's got so much spring ingredients in it. So I hope everybody enjoys it. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.